The 2025 electric pressure washer is a powerful cleaning tool, generating up to 4,500 pounds per square inch of water pressure and 3.2 gallons per minute of water flow to tackle tough stains with ease. Its total stop system feature efficiently conserves energy and extends the pump's life by automatically shutting off when the trigger is not engaged, while the safety lock ensures that children cannot accidentally use the spray gun. The pressure washer comes with an innovative remote-controlled spray gun, allowing users to switch between soft, medium, and strong settings without having to return to the main unit. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a retractable aluminum handle and large wheels for easy transport, along with storage solutions for the spray gun and cable to keep everything organized. This model is user-friendly, offering a plug-in and go setup that supports various water sources, including faucet, bucket, or pool self-priming, making it versatile for different environments. The manufacturer provides a 90-day free exchange or refund policy and a 1-year warranty, ensuring customers feel confident and satisfied with their purchase.